Hello guys, hope you are all good. Welcome to AppSync-ai. The technology is evolving faster than ever, and we believe you need to upgrade and cope up with new modern way for managing business. It is very hectic if you still do all work manually and manage all staffs without any medium. But no need to worry, bring some idea, and we will make it come true. All your problems can be solved by making some digital solution for it. We help to make things easier by providing a way to make it more easier and manageable. By this way, you make more profits and also reduce errors in your workflow. We make it more interesting and powerful solutions. This makes business to grow fast. First, developers need to find a problem they can solve with software. Then, they have to figure out how humans solve that problem, and then, they have to find a way to effectively translate both the problem and the solution into code that a computer can use to solve the problem as well as, or better than, a person. Now, how we can help you? We can provide you Android applications, which are flexible and reliable solution. And, to manage these apps, we provide you admin panels, where back-end work can be done. Everything has been set up, then everything has been connected to each other. So that users, staffs, and admins all are connected and in sync. This helps to keep easy track of each and everything. This is how you get success and a proper solution to the problem. We develop a solution based on your real business problems. More better solutions can be provided if we understand your problems more better. Even, you don't need to worry about applications, servers, and other stuffs. We manage it all and provide you full services. Hope you got it all well. Contact us and get your business online, and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned with awesome ideas.